Hello friends, what type of knowledge we generally get? What the knowledge which you learn in your life so that you will get job, it will helpful in your business. That knowledge is nothing but your skills. You have graduation, you have completed your graduation, you have done some certification, some courses, some technology you have learned. But this is the only knowledge we need in our life. This knowledge is nothing but a material knowledge. That knowledge which will give us some money, which will help us to grow financially. However, there is one more knowledge which is a spiritual knowledge. Have you thought about this spiritual knowledge? I'm not talking about any religion here. It is just a spiritual knowledge and anyone can achieve that spiritual knowledge. But why we need this spiritual knowledge? Now you can see there is so uncertainty in this world. There are so many things happening. We are losing our dear ones. We are losing jobs. We are business getting shut. However, this is the toughest time we can say. And this tough time can be in future and can continue as well for some time. However, in such tough times, the only thing we need is a mental strength. The strength to face all these problems, obstacles which are coming in our life. But how to face? When we just focus on material knowledge, then it is quite possible that it may not possible that we in such situations we may be not that mentally strong, or it may be possible that whatever the situation is there, we are not able to face it properly. We get mentally disturbed. However, spiritual knowledge will give us that inner strength. How to achieve that spiritual knowledge? There are so many things people say, but the only thing I feel is needed to start your spiritual journey is just giving time to self. Whatever you are doing, whatever job or business you are doing, early morning just sit in a half an hour or maximum 1 hour for yourself. Just try to focus on your breathe. We have forgotten to breathe. Day in and day out we are just working, we are just running a race. But we have forgotten the breathe, which is a very vital force of our life. So do you breathe actually? And do you breathe right way? Just try to learn what is the right way of the breathing and just learn that skill of breathing. When we were kid, when we were born, we were breathing rightly. But over the period of as we grow, we have forgotten the breathing pattern. That we need to learn. And that's why giving a 30 minutes time every day morning to self, just sit in a relaxed, calm, cool position where no one is disturbing you. Just sit and try to just focus on your breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. This is what we all need to do. Don't do anything else. For initial few days, this is not a meditation at the initial few days. Just try to focus on your breathe. Nothing else. Just focusing on your breathe is tough initially. Our mind is so it is not going to stay at one place. One moment it is thinking of one thing, the other moment it is thinking of other thing. The one moment it is here, the other moment is in somewhere else. We never know. So the first step is to start focusing on our breathe. Breathing right way is important and just trying to focus. So just do this activity for just 15 days initially. And then once you are comfortable, then once you are able to concentrate on this breathing, then you can practice some advanced meditation course or maybe something which you can learn from someone. Now, why I'm telling you all this, because from last 1 year I am practicing yoga and meditation for 1 hour at least in a day, and that has helped me tremendously. That helped me to reduce my stress. I used to be at stress after a day's work, and there was a feeling of back pain as well, means because sitting for a day while working on the computers, our back gets strained. That's what the problem is. When you are not in the right mindset, if you are not in a right mind, stable mind condition, then it is difficult to focus on our work as well. And I was facing that situation 1 year back when I started yoga. That has helped me. Yoga and pranayama is a very important technique. Just try to learn that, but learn from someone who knows it. Just don't do it on your own. This is important. Otherwise, it has harmful as well. Doing it right way and right technique is important for the yoga and pranayama as well. And being a consistent, discipline is important if you wanted to achieve that result. Wherever you are, discipline is important, and for this as well, this is important. So this is the first step I wanted to convey you, that to attain a spiritual knowledge, we just start from breathing. Focus on breathing and then take the next step. Start with small steps. Don't take a direct big step, because it will not sustain. Just try to take small steps, and gradually you can improve. This is what we all need. Spiritual and material knowledge both are important, but spiritual knowledge will give you strength to handle tough situations. That's what I wanted to convey in this video. If you have any questions, comments or suggestions, do let me know in comment section. If you like my video, then please like it and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you for watching.